Makita's been busy in 2026, and if your toolbox hasn't caught up, it's about to feel very outdated. From rebar tying tools to a microwave that somehow still counts as a power tool, here's what's new. Let's get into it. Makita 40-volt XGT hammer driver drill. Makita just built its most powerful hammer driver drill ever, and it's not close. The GPH03 delivers 1,590 inch-pounds of max torque with a 3-speed transmission. That's the kind of number that makes your old drill quietly retire itself. Makita 40-volt XGT high-torque impact driver. Paired right alongside it, the GDT04 packs a Makita-built brushless motor pushing over 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, with 4-speed settings and a tightening mode that stops you from stripping sheet metal screws into oblivion. Compact fastening power that actually earns the word power. Makita 40-volt XGT framing nailers. 2 new nailers this year, the 30-degree clipped head and the 21-degree full round head. Both drive up to 1,020 nails on a single battery charge, at nearly twice the speed of the old models. Pneumatic level performance, minus the hose, minus the compressor, minus the headache. Makita 40-volt XGT grease gun. Lubing up machinery just got a serious upgrade. The GPG01 delivers a category-leading 12 ounces per minute at 10,000 psi of max pressure, with 4-speed settings and a digital display for precision. It's basically the superhero of grease guns. And yes, that's still a sentence Makita made true. Makita 40-volt XGT variable temperature heat gun. Need to shrink tubing, strip paint, or thaw a frozen pipe in the dead of winter. The GGH01 has 100 temperature settings ranging from 120 to 1110 degrees Fahrenheit with a digital display for exact control. It's a heat gun with the precision of a lab instrument. Makita 40-volt XGT rebar tying tool. The world's first 40-volt 16-gauge wire rebar tying tool. The GRT01 delivers up to 65% stronger ties and up to 3,600 ties per charge, with the depth to handle number 9 by number 8 rebar. Tying rebar by hand just became optional. Makita 40-volt XGT vibrating power screen, built for smaller concrete pours where maneuverability actually matters. The VL001 has a 6-foot vibrating bar running at 11,000 vibrations per minute, with up to 90 minutes of runtime on one battery. Precision concrete work, cordless. Makita 40-volt XGT die grinders. 2 new versions, 1 slide switch, 1 paddle switch, both delivering up to 40% faster grinding than the old lineup. A 5-speed dial takes you from 7,000 all the way to 29,000 RPM, with an LED ring for visibility and an electric brake for durability. Makita 40-volt XGT cordless edger. Landscapers, this one's for you. Delivering the power of a 31 cubic centimeter gas engine without the starting cord or the maintenance, the edger runs an 8-inch blade through grass and dirt with an open guard designed to resist clogging. Gas power, cordless gilt. Makita 40-volt XGT magnetic work lights. 2 new lights, 1 LXT and 1 XGT, both hitting 1,200 lumens on high with a swiveling head and a magnetic base that sticks to anything metal on the job site. Point it, stick it, forget about holding a flashlight in your teeth ever again. Makita 80-volt XGT power cutter cart. The GEC01 power cutter can already slice 15 feet of concrete on a single charge, but at over 30 pounds, it's a workout. The new cart mounts on 3 wheels with a quick connect design, so you push instead of carry. Your lower back sends its thanks. Makita 40-volt XGT high-power battery. The new 8-amp-hour BL4080H uses a tabless cell design that delivers up to 35% more power and runs up to 30% cooler than the old generation. Same battery size, noticeably less heat, noticeably more muscle. Makita 40-volt and 18-volt multi-port charging cases. An 8-port case and an even bigger 12-port case, both storing and cycling batteries automatically, so you're never digging through a pile of dead packs looking for the one that's charged. It only charges 4 at a time, but it rotates through the rest on its own, which is more than your current charger can say. Makita 40-volt XGT motor unit. This one's less a tool and more a philosophy. A fully electric drop-in motor built to replace gas engines in the 25 to 50 cubic centimeters range, designed for manufacturers to electrify power screeds, water pumps, and winches. Quietly, Makita just started replacing gas engines industry-wide. Makita 40-volt XGT framing nailer nose adapter. Small part, real problem solved. The proud setting nose adapter keeps nail heads sitting proud of the surface. which makes temporary formwork dramatically easier to pull apart later. It's the kind of accessory nobody asks for until they desperately need it. That's Makita's 2026 lineup, and if even half of these didn't have you rethinking your toolbox, you weren't paying attention. Which one's going in your cart first? Let me know down below.